for you try the puso ng saging.
Okay. First, I will try this one.
The puso na sa, sige.
This one is not
Pork
included.
chop.
This is called pork chop, but it's not included in the puso na saging.
Try the puso.
And then, we're gonna eat this. This is called puso na saging.
Puso ng saging. How was it?
Mmm. Maybe it is my favorite food.
Yummy?
Yes.
Sarap, diba? Post na. Post na.